A place straight out of a fairy tale. Nestled between the Austrian Alps and a crystal-clear lake, Hallstatt is a storybook village that feels untouched by time. Once a sleepy salt mining village, Hallstatt now draws quiet travelers who want to escape the tourist trails. It's a peaceful blend of nature, culture, and charm you won't find in big cities. Wander the market square, take a ferry ride, or hike up to the skywalk for an unforgettable view. Every corner whispers history and wonder,